Generate a 2D boolean array from tuples. How can I generate a 2D boolean array using a list of tuples that shows the indices of the true values? For example, I have the following list of tuples. What I do is, I first generate an array of falses. Then, iterate over the list to assign true values. It seems like a common use case to me, so I was wondering if there is a built-in method for this, without the loops.
Zip ... is a handy way of transposing a list of lists, or tuples. And UX, Y, is the same as UX, Y.
You can use multi-dimensional indexing for this.
Here's an approach using NumPy's linear indexing that works for tuples of any lengths intended to generate multi-dimensional arrays. Sample input, output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.